Welcome back to Arch Accounting, the accounting system fully integrated with Arch Retail POS. In this session, we are going to deal with the Cashup process. Click on the Cashup in the main menu. I'm going to select 31st of October. Retrieve the Cashup. All the Cashup as per the Arch POS will appear on this page. I'm going to explain the columns. The first column is the employee number and name and or surname. And the following columns are the different payment medias like EFT or cash. And to the right is a total column, which is the total of all the payment medias received by the different cashiers, with a total of 146,000 Rand for the day. None of the amounts can be changed, as all receipts must be accounted for in Arch Accounting. A daily discipline would be to capture and confirm the actual money dropped or banked by each cashier. This will be by inserting the actual amounts banked in the bank column. So let's use cashier number 7, 7,380 Rand 20 expected. Let's assume only 7,200 Rand was banked, which will leave a shortage of 180 Rand 20 cents. The banked amounts for all the cashiers must then be captured. Third-party receipts, for example money market, will be captured at the bottom. Let's assume 10,000 Rand cash was received for the day at the money market counter. Let's insert 10,000 Rand, and that same 10,000 Rand was banked as well. After all third-party receipts are captured, if there were any other, the Cashup can be processed by clicking on the Process Cashup button. During the processing, all payment medias will be allocated to control accounts, debtors or creditor accounts like, for example, money markets. We will explain in further detail during training. This concludes the session on Cashup. Please continue to view the debtors demo video. Thank you.